Hey everybody, good evening. Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. So we actually got the puller today. I guess he sent it priority mail. I didn't ask for that, but very appreciative of it. So this, and oh my gosh, let me tell you, it is heavy. So hopefully this will do the trick. I've never seen something so massive and heavy duty when it comes to a tool. But hopefully, I'm trying to get this monster out of the box. It is Blue Point, which is the old Snap-on brand. So, I mean, this thing is like the best quality that you could get back in the day. Let's see if I can even lift it out of here. Bring it over to the workbench over here. So, yeah, you can see that. I guess he's got it like safetied or zip tied or something. Sorry, I know the camera's probably going all over the place. But anyway, there we go. So this is awesome. So those legs move around to wherever you need them to be. You can position them. And then obviously the top, you turn it and the shaft goes down the middle. So that is what pushes your drum, or I should say pulls your drum off. So we're going to be trying this probably not until next weekend. Everybody's work schedules don't allow much car work during the week. So yeah, hopefully this will do the trick, but it's such a cool old tool. But yeah, it is Blue Point. So in case anybody's wondering, go on eBay, try to buy old tools because they are still the best. Have a blessed evening, everybody. Take care.